Ricky Gutierrez is one of the biggest YouTubers on the platform, and he is famous for his day trading videos as well as his promotion of his day trading course. So in this video, I'm going to buy the course, I'm going to take the course, and I'm going to review it for you so that you know whether or not it's worth the money and whether or not it's a good fit for your investing style. Now, with full disclosure, I actually really like Gutierrez. I think his videos are great, he does a good story, and he helps to educate a lot of people. But underneath all of his videos, the first link you will find is Learn, Plan, Profit. And this is where he is going to try and sell you on his course. And when you click to join the team, it is going to take you to the sign up page, and it is currently going to cost you $499 USD, or 2 payments of $275. Now, for me personally, I've actually reviewed a couple of courses so far, one of them being his original Learn, Plan, Profit course. I took the course, reviewed it on my channel, and gave an honest review about it. But since Ricky has put in the work to create a new course, I'm going to put in the work and give you guys a new review. So without any further ado, I hope you get some value out of this. And my goal here is to show you whether or not this course is a good fit for your investing style. Let's jump right in. Alright everybody, welcome back. I am done the course now, and I've got a couple of thoughts to share with you, so let's jump right in. Okay, so first of all, the course structure, it cost $499 USD, but he does have a couple of discount codes that I'll talk about in just a few minutes here. The course itself is about 85 videos in total, and most of those videos are between 2 and 5 minutes long, so the videos themselves most of the time are very, very short. Altogether, there's about 5 to 6 hours of total video time, but you can watch it at 2x speed. So if you really wanted to, you could literally go through the entire course in an afternoon. But I think one of the things that a lot of people don't realize is that you're paying this amount for the course, but you're also getting access to the Discord chat. That is where Ricky has done a good job of building a community where you can share your ideas about all the different types of trading, and he also posts his day trading videos in here. So he logs on every morning and basically live streams his own trading, and he posts that every single day in here, and you can actually go in and watch his old past trading videos. So that is something that is super valuable, especially if you are looking for a mentor to kind of watch and learn from and actually see how they are doing things. Ricky is actually one of the best there is at showing his trade, showing him actually trading and doing it on a consistent and regular basis. This has been actually very impressive seeing him log in every single day and post a video of him trading live. And so you get access to all of that, including this entire Discord chat when you sign up for the course. So that in itself is extremely valuable. And like I said, the morning live trades have been actually kind of cool. I've opened it up while I'm trading to see what he is doing and see what we kind of align on or disagree on, and it's actually been fairly helpful. So I like the entire package that he has put together. It's $500. You get the course, but you also get access to the Discord chat, and you can watch Ricky live trade, which is kind of cool. Now when it comes to the course breakdown, here's how the course is actually broken down. These are the sections here, but I'll just walk you through the course curriculum. As you can see, it talks about the brokerage, the basics of trading, and then as you scroll down, it goes into indicators, order types, swing trading, day trading, investing, and then short selling, ETFs, trading strategies here, risk management, and then a couple of bonus videos. So it is pretty in-depth. There's a lot of videos here, but you'll notice most of them are somewhere between 1 and 5 minutes long. This one is a little long at 6.5 minutes, but most of them are fairly short. Now, when it comes to things that I liked about this video, for me, I'm really comparing it to the old Learn, Plan, Profit and seeing how Ricky has evolved and what he has improved on. And personally, I think he's done a really good job. The videos are much shorter and they are much more concise, and he's not going on about a random topic longer than he needs to. He has kind of boiled it down and distilled it into the key information, and I think that is really nice to see, and it's a great improvement compared to where it was. He also gave a lot of good examples in the course, which was nice. I like the Discord chat. I've already kind of mentioned that with the morning trading videos. And he is also adding new content to the course, which I found really nice. We have a lot going on with interest rates right now, and so he's adding new videos about how to trade during times of increasing interest rates, for example. So he's done a good job, and he's consistently adding new content, providing more value, which is exactly what you want to see. Now, the things that I did not like, Number one was the order of the lessons. I thought there were a couple of lessons that were just way out of order, especially in the beginning. So if you go to the beginning here, he's talking about quality trades and the time frame and these type of topics before the video that is literally what is a stock. I always think what is a stock should come first, but in this scenario he's talking about different time frames and how to evaluate trades and things like that right at the beginning of the course. And I just thought some of those things were a little bit out of order. Yes, they were good and valuable lessons, but they were just out of order, so kind of take that with a grain of salt. Maybe I'm missing something there, but that was just my opinion. The volume on the videos also fluctuates depending on the video that you're watching, kind of like they were edited or filmed and edited by different people. So I had to keep adjusting my volume as soon as I went to the next video, which was just kind of annoying, but honestly just like a tiny little nitpick more than anything. And then I did notice that he is heavily focused on indicators, and there wasn't a ton of lessons that focused on price action, or maybe just not as many as I had hoped. A lot of what Ricky talks about here is heavily based on indicators, especially when it comes to day trading. When it comes to swing trading or investing, it feels like it's a little bit more focused on patterns, but I probably would have liked to see just a little bit more talk about price action itself and how to look for and evaluate different types of ETFs and stocks based on their price action and not just indicators. Maybe that's just a personal preference, but that was just me. Now, when it comes to who is this course best suited for, it is going to be best suited for somebody that wants to day trade. This is not a swing trading course. This is not an investing course. This is a stock and ETF day trading course. But before you take the course, you should have a basic understanding of the markets. Like I said, I thought the order was a little bit kind of weird. And so if you have a basic understanding of the markets, it's not going to matter, because the what is a stock video probably isn't going to help you anyway. As long as you have a basic understanding of how to make a trade, how the markets work, supply and demand, this course is going to be a perfect fit for you. Lastly here, the course is short and concise, and it comes with a community and a mentor. So if you're looking for something that you can get through the content and then you can join a community afterwards and you can look up to Ricky and say, hey, I want to be like Ricky, I want to trade like Ricky, and I'm going to watch how he does it, then this is a great situation for you. If you're kind of a lone wolf though and you don't need that, you might not get as much value out of it. Now, the last time that I ranked and graded this course, I only had a couple of comparisons to put it towards. I gave him a 7 in strategy and explanation. I gave him a 9 in the value for the money, because back then it was only $300. Now it's $500, and the production quality back then was also an 8. It was filmed a few years ago, and so nothing much he could do there. Now I've changed it a little bit. I have definitely improved his strategy and explanation. I loved the short and concise videos. I thought it was way better than the old LPP, where some of the videos were just really long and kind of dragged out. So I thought that was extremely good. The value for the money was still a 9. I thought he did a good job there, and the production quality was still an 8, just because of some of those volume issues, but honestly, that didn't really affect the quality of what was in the course. All right, now in summary here, personally, I think this was a good course because it gives you access to that community and access to watch Ricky day trade. The course itself was good, the community that he's built is pretty good, and the ability to watch the guy actually trade every single day is really, really nice to see, and it's pretty rare. I don't know too many other people that are doing that. So I think it's pretty good. It's well worth $500, and Learn Plan Profit 2 is a major improvement from the original, so I'm really happy he made it. He put in a lot of effort into it, and so far I personally think it turned out really good. Now, if you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description to this video that will take you directly to that homepage, and if you use the discount code FRIEND, it will give you a $100 discount. So hopefully you can get it for $400. You can get in with a little discount. Link is in the description to this video if you want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I sincerely appreciate it, and if there's any other courses you would like me to review, please leave a comment down below and I will check it out for sure. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll talk to you soon.